Hi friends, welcome back to another channel. So I'm getting ready to plant up the front garden bed with fall annuals, guys. I can't even think. So it's me and one of my garden haters today. I'm going to introduce you to the hater real quick, but just to give you a heads up, no animals were harmed in this video. I am actually going to have my husband drive him about 20 to 25 minutes away from here, out in like the wilderness where there's no houses close by, and let him free like we've done in the past. This is not the first time we've done this. I caught a groundhog, and that's what delayed this video. I had bought, well, Proven Winners had sent me out some mums, but I needed some more, so I went ahead and I bought some myself. By the way, thank you Proven Winners for the mums. And between the dares and the groundhogs, they demolished every single one of my mums. I was devastated. So I went ahead, like a good husband he is, he drove me down to Bowie to buy some more mums, and I did. This time it's less than what it was before. So I could not plant until I caught the groundhog from underneath the deck, because he lived underneath the deck, or she lived underneath the deck. I don't know what it is, like what the sex is. That's a helicopter. So I'm getting ready to plant now because I finally caught him or her. There were no babies this time. I checked because normally you never see the mom without the babies. And I have I've been rotating some repellents for the dares, and I haven't seen a dare since. So let me introduce you to the hater, and then we can get to planting. Would you like to introduce yourself to my friends? Don't get shy now. Tell them why you're in this cage. Tell them that you are one of the reasons why my mums were destroyed. I can't have any pansies or violas because you love to eat that stuff. Yes. Tell them why you're in this cage. Hater. Alright guys, as you can see to the right, I had already planted up that basket. It still looks great. Everything looks good. And this is what I have so far. So what I have so far, I have, I'm doing the mums in groups of 3s. So this is the closest thing to pink I could find at the last minute. It's a coral color. It's still beautiful. It's gorgeous. So I'm just going to go with the flow and use this. And then I have ornamental cabbages in the front. Could use some more cabbages, but I could not find the same kinds in the amount that I needed. So for now, I just have them mainly in the front, in between these two junipers, the green evergreens that you see here. I have them lined in front of that. They're not exactly spaced how they will be planted, but I just laid them out here just to show you guys what I have going on. And then I think I'm going to put a stack of pumpkins right in here as well, like I have here. But I need some more pumpkins. I was just playing around with these just to see how they will look. I'm not really feeling them right now. Maybe when everything is planted and mulched, it will look a little bit different. And then I have 3 more mums over here. As you can see, when you have chickens, this is what they do. I'm not complaining because they eat bugs and insects from my garden, so they help. So I'm gonna move this cabbage right here and move it, squeeze it somewhere in here. But so far, excuse my shadow, this is what's going on. Everything is looking great. And the mums, they actually pick up my shadow. Sorry about that. The sun is getting ready to set. The mums pick up the color in the hydrangeas that are in the back. The sun is so bright you can't even see. But hopefully by the time I'm finished planting, you can see everything. But I just love the way this is already looking. So let's get to work. is the next day, guys. So much happened last night. I lost light because the sun went down and my battery died. I did not capture a lot of footage as I thought I did, as you guys saw in the beginning of this video. But you know, it's okay. So now I am back to show you guys the finished product and I am loving it. I am loving it. So before, remember earlier I said I did not have enough of this cabbage, ornamental cabbage. Gorgeous. So what I did was I used these. They're not exactly the same. I think this is ornamental kale. They're not exactly the same. So I used 3 on this side, and I also use 3 on this side just to level out everything, guys. But I love the way everything turned out. It's refreshing. It's just simple. I was thinking about putting some pansies and violas in the front of the cabbages, but I think that's just doing a little bit too much. I'm going to leave it just the way it is. I cannot stop smiling. It just looks so gorgeous. It's just so beautiful to me. I love it. I'm glad I went with my instinct and just, you know, did this. So I used some, this is leaf grow compost right here. Soft, very fine, beautiful. It breaks down into the soil because this bed is nothing but red clay soil, and I've used it for years and it's changed the composition of the soil. Earlier this season I tried something else and I hated it. I regretted that decision. So now I'm back to that leaf grow compost. Let me show you the bag. This is the bag. I think you can find it here in Maryland, Delaware, Virginia, DC. I'm not sure where else because it is made here in Maryland, but this is good. If you cannot find this, you can use regular compost or like cow manure. That's the same thing. It's pretty, I mean, of course it's not the same thing as manure and this is leaf, but it does the same thing. It adds nutrients back to the soil. Excuse the light. So yeah, the sun is getting ready to come around the house. Everything just looks great, guys. I am so excited. So now I'm going to work on cleaning up the front porch and get that together so this whole front can be cohesive and look beautiful together. So thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah, mwah, mwah.